sneaking up on you guys. I'm sneaking. Hello. You want to send a message back to Brandon? Come on. Talk to me. Want to say hello? Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh, that's why they call you Chicken, Brandon. You're chicken. Yeah, I see. Come back. Where's the horsey? Where's the horsey? Oh, there's the horsey. All right. That's where the horsey is. Okay. There's the chicken. Come here, I want to feed you. Here. Come back. I'll feed you if you come back. Yeah, feed you.